How to claim the Grabfood Voucher code. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to claim the Grabfood Voucher code. To use promo code on Grabfood, begin by opening the app on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged in with the appropriate account. Next, confirm that your delivery address is correct. Then scroll down to select the item you wish to purchase. You will find deals and meals from top restaurants in your area. Choose the desired item and select a variation if available. Once you are satisfied with your selection, add it to your basket and tap on the basket to proceed. Enter all necessary order details, including your address and personal information. Scroll down to the Use Offers option to apply any available promo codes and receive a discount on your purchase. Finally, place your order. That is how you can claim a voucher code on Grabfood. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.